Here, we're expected to give the product. Okay, and whenever you see something like this, you can see that this is not reacting to anything. Whenever you see something like this, just know that what is going to happen, what is happening there is thermal decomposition. You can see this. Now, carbonates will break down to form a compound and carbon dioxide. That is release of carbon dioxide gas. So now here we have calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. This is a gas. Whenever I see something like this, it's a gas. Whenever I see something like this, is a solid. And this is also a solid. Now let's see if our equation is balanced. Of course, this is actually the product you are going to get. But let's now see whether it is balanced. We have one calcium here, we have one calcium here. So calcium is balanced. We have one carbon here, we have one carbon here. Carbon is balanced. We have 3 atoms of oxygen here. We have oxygen, 1 oxygen and 2 oxygen, which is 3 atoms of oxygen. So everything there is balanced. So I think this is correct. So I believe you understood it. Bye-bye.